Hello and welcome to Second Saturday from Fox Cities Quilt Company in Appleton, Wisconsin. This is Laura, and this is our final second Saturday for this session. Today we are going to make this large rising star block, and this is the easiest block we've done, which is great way to end the session. So as you can see, it has your flying geese unit, so you're going to use the heart method to make 4 flying geese with the green and the black. You're also going to use it to make 4 flying geese with the purple and the green. And you will notice that my color purple here, this is wine, but you actually got violet in your kit. So this is, I just had some leftovers, so this is what this one is for, but it doesn't look great with the blue. The purple looks the violet looks much better. So in order to put this together, you do your flying geese, you attach your black squares to 2 ends, your top and your bottom. The same with the inside flying geese units, top and bottom. Sew your 2 side flying geese onto the blue square, then add your top and bottom. Sew the 2 larger green and black flying geese onto the sides, add your top and bottom, and you end up with this beautiful square, beautiful block. One thing that I did not mention before, but it's never too late, is using the Ultimate Flying Geese tool. I'm going to put a piece of paper behind it so it's easier to see. And that's what it is. It's a Creative Grids ruler. This is fantastic to use. If you need any help using it, come on into the shop or give us a call and we will help you. I didn't even think about it until I was almost done with my blocks. Then I'm like, oh, why wasn't I using that the whole time? So the other thing, besides your kit that you're going to get for the month, you're also going to get, not upside down, your finishing kit. So this is the border blocks and setting blocks. It's just stripes or strips that are cut into to make a square.
Like a little 4-patch.
All of your direction is on here, the directions. I have not done mine yet because I haven't finished it yet. But again, directions, that's it. And that will make, I don't have a picture of it, your beautiful quilt. If you have any questions, give us a call, 920-939. Oh my gosh, completely forgot what the number was. 3989, that's what I thought it was. And I thought, no, maybe, let me try that again, 920-939-3989. Anyone in the shop can help you. So I hope you have enjoyed this episode or series of Second Saturdays. And in April, Lori will be doing our Second Saturdays. See you later, bye-bye.